Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have the FabFitFun Winter 2019 box. I love FabFitFun. I pay for my FabFitFun subscription. It's very hard to say 3 times fast, or at all actually. I like that it's a mixture of products. There's a lot of customization now, so you can choose the products that are coming in your box. And if you don't like something, that they're great gift items, especially for this time of year. If you have, you know, a last minute shindig or something and you need, where did that phrase originate, shindig? Probably somewhere terrible. Please don't yell at me. I don't know. They're easy gift items and they're nice and quality items. So I do buy this box with the intention of keeping the items for myself. But if it's something that I won't use, it's an easy giftable item. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see what's in here. It's a really cute mailer. Look at how cute the mailer is. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I need my scissors. This is the magazine that has all of the product information in it. There are also articles about just different things. There's exclusive offer options in here. Crossword puzzle. That's kind of cute. Ways to repurpose and recycle your box. That's cute. Lots of information here. Maria Shriver is on the front. There are usually sponsored items in here, like little bonuses. The first thing in here is a coupon code. There's one of these in every box, and I say this every time. I'm not sure if this is a one-time use coupon or if multiple people can use the coupon code, but it's for $15 off your first box, which puts your first box at $34.99. I will leave the code in the description box. I just don't know how many people can use it. Usually any of the codes that you see are $10 off, and those can be used multiple times. This one is a very specific code, so that makes me think it can be used one time. But if you use this, let me know. And if you try to use it and you can't, let me know, and that will clear some things up, because I don't know. There's usually a HelloFresh coupon in here. Personally, I love HelloFresh. This one is for 9 free meals. I do really enjoy HelloFresh. It's so easy to use, and the meals are interesting, and they're not something that you would see or maybe even think to make all the time, at least for me. So I really enjoy that. This time there's $100 off a purple mattress. Honestly, we need a new mattress so badly. Wow. It kind of freaks me out to buy a mattress online though. Like, I know they come in a box and they expand, but what if I need to return it? How do I get it back in the box? This is a question I ask myself a lot. But this feels very, very squishy. I'm gonna keep that. Oh my gosh, look at the inside. It's so cute. We've got the first thing in here is from Cuccio, and this is the Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Oh. And I've definitely heard of this brand, but I've only heard of their nail products. I guess I wasn't aware that they had body products. And it's in the scent lavender, which I love. Pretty. Oh, that smells good. Calm your senses as you clean with a relaxing blend of lavender oil, pro vitamin B5, and shea butter. Hand and body wash. It's actually really funny because we're almost out of my daughter's Epsom salt lavender body wash, which we purchased from Dr. Teal's, so maybe I'll try this. This is a little more expensive than Dr. Teal's. This retails for $39.95. Whoa, that is a lot. But you know what? My baby's very fancy, so maybe she probably will love it, and then I'll have to buy a freaking $40. Also in everyone's box, the Drybar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. This lightweight detangler uses biotin, vitamins B and C, and sea berry oil to protect hair against heat and leave hair soft and conditioned. This retails for $23. I don't use heat on my hair. It says it's a detangler. Prime and Prep Detangler. Have I used this before? I feel like I used this before and it did work really well, but I didn't love the smell. I just use it as a detangler. Yeah, I don't love the smell of this, but I feel like I did use this before for my daughter, just for detangling. And she always needs a detangler, so that's fine. So far, this is Avery's box. All right, the next thing in here is the original makeup eraser. Waterproof mascara. From waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush, this reusable makeup remover erases the day with just water, and this retails for $20. If you will recall, I did a video testing a whole bunch of makeup removing cloths a while back. I'll leave it linked up here. I had a sample of the makeup eraser, but I didn't have a full size. So that's kind of exciting. This is pink. Oh, it's really big. Oh my gosh. I had no idea this was so large. I thought it was like a washcloth size. Okay, so the short fiber side is the side you use to erase the makeup, and then the side with the tag is the exfoliating side, but it's still very soft. I will definitely put this to use. It's very soft. Some of the other options for things are in the bag or in the magazine too, so that's kind of cool to see like what you could have gotten. Next we have the Ahava Dead Salt Natural Dead Sea Salts. This retails for $16. Immerse yourself in the Dead Sea's healing waters. In the comfort of your own bath, the minerals help ease muscle tension and leave you with soft skin. And I think the scent is Dead Sea. I love Epsom salts in my bath. I know people say, oh, Epsom salts don't actually do anything. I don't know. It's not making me feel worse if I have sore muscles, so you know what, I'm gonna put some Epsom salts in my bath. You live your life and I live mine. And I've never tried this. I have tried a bunch of Ahava hand creams because they come quite frequently in subscription boxes, and they're very nice. They are very nice. So we're gonna try this. This is 11 ounces. This packet retails for $16, which is a lot, but I know Ahava is I guess it's, what's in between drugstore and high-end? Mid-boutique-ish? I'm not really sure. It feels like it's, pretty full. All right, next we have the Soft Focus Glow Drops from Rodial? I don't know if it's Rodial or Rodial. I've never actually heard it pronounced. Radial? Just kidding. That's stupid. Oh my, what are you? 3D, okay. Glow On. These drops are formulated to brighten the complexion and provide a radiant priming base for makeup and application. This retails for $55? Whoa. It's funny, I actually used an extremely similar product today in a Get Ready With Me that you will see at some point. If it's already up, I'll leave it linked below. It's probably not already up though. Ooh, look at the packaging. It's so pretty. It's glass. It has a dropper. It kind of smells fruity a little bit. It smells very earthy, I guess. Like fruity, but also very earthy. It absorbs into my skin nicely. Look at how glowy my hand is compared to this whole thing. We'll definitely try them. It's very heavy, like fancy packaging. And you know what? It's about time I'm a little fancy too. Literally the least fancy person you want. We have a palette. Always exciting to me. This is from Beauty Bakery, and I have never tried anything from this brand. This is the Proof is in the Puddin' palette. Effortlessly create day to night looks with 5 matte and 4 shimmer shades. Plus this palette is hard pressed for minimal fallout. This retails for $38. The packaging is super cute. It's like soft touch packaging. Does it smell like pudding? No, it doesn't. Kind of disappointing. This is really pretty. It's a very neutral palette. I would ultimately prefer something a lot more colorful. However, I'm aware that not everyone wants that, so I think this is a very good option for like a mass mailing box, you know? I will definitely use this and report back. Maybe I'll film a video. I don't know. Some of the other options. Ooh, a Bluetooth speaker. Oh, a shower speaker. Like a journal bag. Cool. I believe these are the last two things in the box. This is the Lashes MD Eyelash Eyebrow Conditioner. Your lashes and brows deserve some TLC. The signature formula rejuvenates and moisturizes with amino acids, peptides, and vitamins. This retails for $70. Warning, avoid getting fluid into the eye. But like I'm supposed to put on my eyelashes. This is what confuses me about these. Does it tell me how to do it? I need specific instructions. Oh yeah, there's paper in here. I'm not gonna open this yet because I don't know if it matters like a mascara if you like once you open it, the clock starts ticking. Do you think that there's just a bank of people monitoring mascara and the second they're open they start a timer? Okay. Directions. Use once a day at bedtime. Remove eye makeup with a mild cleanser. Apply a thin line of Lashes MD at the base of the upper and lower lashes as though applying eyeliner. Can also be applied to the root of eyebrows. Wait, people want their lower lashes to be longer? Why? I'm like very curious, but also kind of scared. Then I also kind of want to try it for 3 weeks to see if my eyelashes look longer, you know? Then the very last thing in here is from Rebecca Minkoff. The Rebecca Minkoff Marled Beanie and Arm Warmer Set. Style the marled beanie and cozy arm warmers together or individually as you brave the cold. This retails for $70. That's just because it's Rebecca Minkoff. I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I just bought a hat very similar to this at a craft show the other day. It was handmade and it was $25, which I also thought was a lot, but I paid it. I have a giant head. I have a giant head. Oh! It's got a cute little puff ball. I mean, it's a snug fit. Ooh, I've got a big head. It's a snug fit for those of us with huge heads. Oh, like I just put these on my arm. I don't understand. Why wouldn't I? But I am wearing sleeves. I don't understand. I don't get it. Like if I'm cold, I'm wearing long sleeves and these aren't going to do anything. Am I wrong? Am I doing this wrong? I'm probably doing it wrong. However, ooh, 1B, I could have gotten a blanket. Faux fur blanket. Amanda, I don't remember that being an option for, and there was Kate Somerville moisturizer. Amanda, I don't remember seeing those options. I love Kate Somerville moisturizers. However, look at my giant head. And now I've put a hat on my head. So I'm committed to this hat all day because you can't take a hat off your head once you put it on. My hair wasn't dry. I am stuck wearing this hat all day. The retail value of everything in this box is $331.90. And I honestly am going to use everything in this box. Everything will get used. The detangler will get used on my daughter as well as the lavender body wash. I'm gonna wear this hat because I think this is super cute. I was wearing a sweater yesterday that looks almost exactly like this, so it's kind of funny. These I don't understand, but you know, I'm gonna keep the hat. I don't understand these. Is this for like people who live in warm weather and they want to feel like they're cold? Is that what this is? Because I don't understand this. They're super cute, but I don't get I don't get these. What am I doing wrong? I will use this palette. I'm going to use everything. I'm actually very excited about this box. I always love the boxes, but I think this is probably the box for the year, the first box of the year that I know I will use everything in it, which is awesome. I did choose some of these items. I can't remember what. If you get FabFitFun, let me know what you got in your box. Man, that serum stuff smells good. Let me know what you get in your box. If you would like to sign up for FabFitFun, I will have my referral link in the description box as well as the regular FabFitFun website link. I believe I get like referral credit if you sign up using my link. It's not sponsored. I don't get money, just money off my box.